Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Celtic Crelly and I open at the close. I'm going to start with Baby Girl Lacquer's Peel Off Base Coat. And this is Celtic Crelly by Painted Polish. And this is Level Up Lacquer I open at the close. This is my first St. Patrick's Day manicure. So I'm going to start off with my first coat of the Celtic Crelly. And this is a yearly favorite. I try to remember to break this one out every year for St. Patrick's Day. It is so pretty. It's just like an off-white cream. It might have used to have been white, I don't remember. But it's got gold and green glitters in it. And it's just so pretty when it's built up. And then next we've got Level Up Lacquers. I open at the close. It's a Harry Potter polish. Imagine that. And it's just a gold glitter bomb. I love it. I thought it would work really well for this one. I am capping my free edge there. And I just realized I didn't do my other one, so I have to go back and do it. Have you ever done that? So here we go with our second coat of the Celtic Crelly. And I have my friend JKB to thank for this one. She's the one that told me about it and turned me on to it. And I mean, the day she told me, I ran out and bought it. It's an old one. Probably about 3 years ago, maybe 4. I don't know. And then we're going to go in with the second coat of this gold glitter bomb here. So stinking pretty. And then I am going to do a third coat. Crellies, a lot of times you do, you benefit from that third coat. And this is one of those. I'm doing thinner coats, so I'm not sad that I had to do 3. And, since I'm doing 3 for that, I'm going to go ahead and do 3 for this one too. See how that bling? Ah. So I'm going to top this all with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Make these look even more St. Patrick's Day. And there's a swatch photo of them on their own. This is BMH05. I've got my monocle stamper and my Beauty Big Bang scraper. And this is just a dark green from Born Pretty. And I'm just going to use some images off of this one plate here. And then I'm going to end up using another plate later. I'll show you it here in a minute. So I'm trying to do this kind of like a little French tip design. And you see I do real good on that middle nail. Got it lined up pretty even, nice. It's not going to happen that way on the next nail. So this is how manicures morph for me. They morph in the strangest ways sometimes. So I'm putting the paint down on the plate and scraping, and I'm going to pick it up. And I think I got it all lined up, y'all. I really do. I think I got it ready to go. And then I got to actually touch down on the nail, and somehow I get all wonky-fied. So here we go. Oh, the tip's showing. It's all sideways. What you gonna do? So I'm gonna pull a little bit more of that image just to, make it be filled in. I don't want any of that blank space on the tip. So I'm just gonna fill it in as soon as I figure out how to place it. But it's still going to be a little wonky at the top, so I've decided to do some more stamping to it. Kind of make it look not so noticeable. This is the same plate, and I'm going to use this little like triangle looking image on the gold nails. And it's not going to show up just like really in your face or anything, but I was okay with how it turned out. So I'm going to put that on my pointer and my pinky. Really pretty image though, real little, and lets that gold still be the star of the show, but I still get stamped, so all is good. There we go. I'm going to be using Game Over by Braves Diva, and I'm going to use this Wistonia plate, and it is Wistonia W105, and I'm going to use this shamrock, and I'm going to stamp it in gold, kind of over in the corners of these nails that I've got the green on, the green stamping on, sorry. And then I'm going to go over it with gold. I'm going to stamp a smaller shamrock image in gold over it. So this is how this one just ended up working its way out. And in the end, I was pretty happy with it. You know, wasn't how I originally sat down and started out to do it, but that's okay. Sometimes they just work out like that. And that gold is from Maniology, and I can't remember the name of it, but it's the most recent gold one I bought from Maniology. Gilded gold or something like that. I can't even remember. So there we go, trying to fix my little mess here. So I am going to cover the images that are stamped with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I don't really worry about like just going crazy painting side to side all the way to the end. And once that's dry, I'm going to cover everything with some Posh top coat. Capping that free edge there. And this is a different brush. I ruined my brush for my Posh, so I had to find one that would fit the bottle, and so that's why the stem of it looks orange, because it came out of a different bottle. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? And cap that free edge there. And here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.